this is the tutorial for I am a child of God, verse 2. Okay. I am a child of God, same as in verse 1. And so my needs, take your pointer finger and tap down, needs are great, 2 L's, it'll go up and out. Help me, same as in our chorus, help me to understand, nod, and finger comes up, light bulb moment. Understand His words. I'm going to have my finger and my other hand will make, kind of looks like a P. Understand His words before, both hands come up as a cross, and the one that's closest to your body goes towards your chest. It happened before this moment. Before it grows, your hand's going to grow like a flower through your other fist. Grows too late. You're putting bad memories in the past. Lead me, guide me, walk beside me, help me find the way, teach me all that I must do to live with Him someday.